Meaning of dire.
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 Dire. The word dire means something that is very serious, urgent, and potentially catastrophic or disastrous. It can refer to situations, events, consequences, or outcomes that are marked by extreme danger, trouble, or suffering. When a situation is dire, it is usually very difficult to resolve and may require urgent action or intervention. The consequences of not addressing a dire situation can be severe and far-reaching, leading to widespread harm or even loss of life. In short, the meaning of dire is often associated with grave circumstances that demand immediate attention and action.